Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I prepared prawn popcorn. I used my own version of masalas, and so you'll get to see what all I used. I've already cleaned the prawns, deveined it, washed it nicely and reserved. I'll be using mustard sauce, chili powder, peri peri masala, garam masala, turmeric powder, pepper powder and salt. I'll also be using chili flakes. We'll add tiny amount of lime to this. Now we'll start the marination. To the prawn, I've added mustard sauce. Mustard sauce is something that I'm really enjoying these days, and I've almost completed the entire bottle. So here you can see I'll add pepper powder, lime juice. I'll add peri peri masala, chili powder, turmeric powder, garam masala and chili flakes. We'll combine all of this in the prawns and allow the prawns to marinate for 10 to 15 minutes. You can refrigerate it or leave it on the countertop itself. Now once the prawn has marinated well, I'll crumb coat it. So all the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, along with detailed recipe blog post, the links to my blog and social media, Instagram, Facebook and Twitter will be listed in the description box below this video. So you can see the prawns has marinated very well. I'm going to start crumb coating it. I'll be using an egg and corn flour, and we'll also roll it out on Panko. You also place enough oil in a wok to heat up well so that you can start frying the prawns. Now I've added the egg to the prawn and tiny amount of salt. We'll combine the prawns in that egg mixture and we'll add our corn flour as well. We'll combine everything in the prawns. Now we just have to roll it in the breadcrumbs and start frying it. I'll be using Panko here, but you can use any regular breadcrumbs. Or you can also crumble the fresh bread in the mixer and then you can crumb coat your prawns and fry it. So now we are just going to crumb coat the prawns all sides and start frying it on medium flame. A very simple dish. So whatever masalas I had at home, I've used and I've prepared this prawn popcorn. You don't have to use anything fancy. It's all very easily available. I'll post all the links in the description box below this video. If you don't have mustard sauce, you can use mustard powder. So it gives a very nice taste. I like that heat from the mustard. Now you can see the oil is nice and hot. I've gently dropped all the prawns that I rolled out in the panko. We'll fry it for 2 minutes on each side. So this is on medium flame. Just that the batter has to cook well and the prawn has to cook nicely. So 2 minutes is more than enough on each side. You can also air fry them if you have an air fryer. If you have an air fryer, please use your air fryer and fry the prawn popcorn in the air fryer. If you want to do baking, you can bake also. If you don't like it deep fried. So now once the prawn popcorn has turned light golden brown in color, that's when I've drained it and served it as hot as possible. Very nice and tasty. I really enjoyed it. You have to serve this along with some lime and just tiny amount of lime and some mustard sauce on top. This is very nice in this prawn. So give it a try and post your comments. Everybody will really enjoy it. If you try all these recipes, do comment and share your pics with me so that I can feature all your recipe creations on my channel and other social media handles. So all the links to my blog, social media will be in the description box below this video. Now my prawn popcorn is ready. Do give this recipe a try, friends, and post your comments. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video, friends. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.